Mayong adlaw sa mga pinalanggan natin nga tagsumunod sa RMN DYHB to Cube Negros and Earth Sandy TV. Iningin nyo nga lagad si Patrick Bucabal, kagkaupod natin si Gerard Andrade, Melvin Brotenia, and Jezreel Yulingo. Bago kita magsugod sa sininga segment, please like and subscribe to our channel kag hindi ka mo magkalipat nga i-click ang notification bell para mangin updated ka mo sa among mga bago nga mga videos. Facts about Bacolod City. Bacolod City is known as the City of Smiles and home of the Mascara Festival. It is 223.32 square miles in terms of land area. It consists of 61 barangays and one of the barangay is called Barangay Bata. Nga abala ginatawagin nga Barangay Bata or Bata. Yung pangalan inibila sa isa ka bata or yung pangalan kay Efrem Bata Reyes. Diba? Bata or Barangay Bata. Barangay Bata is a boundary between Bacolod and Talisay. It's actually a combination of two names. Bacolod for Ba and Talisay for Ta. Combine them both and then you have Bata. That is why it's called Barangay Bata. Do pareho manabla sa mga Pinoy nga mag-asawa nga maghiling mag-combine sang ilang ngalan para sa ilang mga bata. Diba? Kagkahibalo-bala ka mo nga ang Barangay Granada ang pinakauna nga barangay diri sa Bacolod. Sa kasagsagan sang raid sa mga Moro sa Visayas, ang settlement of Magsungay, precursor of the present-day Bacolod City, ginabandonar pagkatapos atake sa mga Moro forces under dato bantilan of Sulu on July 14, 1755. Bangod sa kahadlok, nagpalagyo ang mga pumuluyo kag nag-ista sa mga bulubuklod nga bahin. And that inspired the name of Bacolod from the Hiligaynon Word, buklod or hilly terrain. And on 1788, nagbalik ang mga pumuluyo nga nagsettle sa Magsungay to establish the pueblo of Bacolod. A smaller village was left kag ginatawag ini nga Kamingawan or a place of sorrows. However, Kamingawan was created as pueblo in its own right, renamed Granada in 1854 with Aquilino Sausao as the first presidente municipal. Kagdugang ay hibalo, ang Granada Public Cemetery is one of the oldest cemetery diri sa Bacolod. And speaking of cemetery, may sementeryo kita nga nabutang sa Guinness Book World of Records and please believe it or not, amo ini ang Luzuriaga Mausoleum. It was in the 1980s when the Guinness Book of World Records listed the Familia de Luzuriaga Cemetery as the only family mausoleum built in the middle of the street. It was also featured in Ripley's Believe It or Not. Kag located in sa Burgos Street, tupad sa Bacolod Public Cemetery. Kagkahibalo-bala ka mo nga ang Barangay 18 or ang Cordova o ang atubang sa Regional Hospital or Corazon Luxin Montelibano Memorial Regional Hospital, isa ina ka sementeryo. Yes, you heard me right. Isa ina ka sementeryo. But in 1938, it was transferred in Burgos Street, which is now the Bacolod Public Cemetery. Spooky, hindi bala? Kag sa Burgos Street man natin makita ang Daku balay or in English, Big House. Isa ina sa mga historic landmark diri sa Bacolod. It was the tallest building in Bacolod nga ginpatindog until 1959 when the Philippine National Bank was built. It was also the first building on Negros Island to have an elevator manufactured by Inclinator, Philadelphia, USA. It was the home of prominent sugar planter Generoso M. Villanueva, and it took 3 years to build from 1933 to 1936. It was designed solely by the owner and built by Cebu engineer Salvador Cinco. During World War II, Bacolod was occupied by the Japanese forces on May 21, 1942. It was General Takeshi Kawane Kono, the Japanese commanding officer, seized the home of Don Generoso Villanueva, and it served as the seat of power, and being the tallest building in the city, it served as the watchtower of the city during the war. Okay, balo-bala ka mo nga ang old building sa una sa 88, isa ka tennis court. Yes, ginatawag ina nga nota, di ba? Nota. Kadlo gidaw nota or Negros Occidental Tennis Association. Dira nga ton mga tita, lolo kag lola, papa kag mama naton dira gampan sa una sang tennis. Pagkaibalo-bala ka mo nga ang new building sang 88 isa naka-provincial jail. Kag bago kita magkatakop sa sininga programa, I just wanted to share a Hiligaynon word which is hangaway. Hangaway or warrior. So, kung ibutang tabi sa Golden State, hangaway. Gina-shoutout ko lang galing mga pinalanggan natin na tagpalamati kag loyal gid sang RMN DYHB to Cube Negros, si Kanday Kimpo Yulo, kay Mama G. De Lamar, Pinky Lamera, kay Sir Jolo, ilang tagaan kag ang Sombi family dre sa Sagay City, kay Jupong sang Pulo Pandan of Pullback, kay Kapitan William Katzer sang Valladolid. Kung gusto ninyo magadaog sang kwarta pagi sa trivia kag magadugang inyo na ibalan, magpamati lang kada Domingo alas 11:30 hasta ala-1 sang hapon sa RMN DYHB to Cube Negros 747 kHz. And please like, share, follow our Facebook page at DYHB Tatak RMN page. So sa mga pinalanggan ng mga tagsumulunod, diri na magatakop ang atong programa and parting words from Albert Einstein. Science of intelligence is not knowledge but imaginations. That's all for now and see you on our next trivia. Bye-bye!